Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. The Mega War Room has released an emotional supporting video for Donald Trump after the New York District Attorney has indicted him, ladies and gentlemen. It's a breaking news. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. If this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button, and we are going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. The Mega War Room Twitter page has released an emotional video captioned, "Keep Fighting, Mr. President," as a show of support for Donald Trump, who has been indicted on criminal charges by the New York Grand Jury, ladies and gentlemen. As I have a video right here, I have you take a look at it, and I want you to let me know how you feel as the president is fighting an uphill battle, seeking re-election in the United States presidential nomination race in 2024. Here's the video.
Five-page report.
Former President Donald Trump has been indicted.
Remember this: nothing worth doing ever came easy. Following your convictions means you must be willing to face criticism from those who lack the same courage to do what is right. Relish the opportunity to be an outsider. Embrace that label. Being an outsider is fine. Embrace the label. Because it's the outsiders who change the world and who make a real and lasting difference. The more that a broken system tells you that you're wrong, the more certain you should be that you must keep pushing ahead.
This is a party that wants an outsider badly.
I continue to believe Mr. Trump will not be president.
You must keep pushing forward. Never, ever give up. There'll be times in your life you'll want to quit, you'll want to go home. I can't do it. I can't do it. Just never quit. You will build a future where we have the courage to chase our dreams no matter what the cynics and the doubters have to say. You will have the confidence to speak the hopes in your hearts and to express the love that stirs your souls. And you will have the faith to replace a broken establishment with a government that serves and protects the people. But they're not coming after me, they're coming after you. I'm just standing in their way. And I always will stand in their way.
A powerful message from the former president of the United States, ladies and gentlemen, Donald Trump, giving hope to the American citizens in a message titled, "Keep Fighting, Mr. President."